Hey guys, today I wanted to share something about rubber tires. Got these packages from Amazon, and the thing is that I placed the first order and it went through, and then a couple of days later I get an email. It says I got the credit back for the rubber tires. And well, so I placed another order. I thought the seller might be running out of rubber tires, so I went and I bought again the same item, and so that's why I got two packages. But anyways, here is a lot of these rubber tires you can get on Amazon. I recommend you to go to Amazon.com and buy these rubber tires. They are at a really low price, not expensive. Don't go to eBay. Do not go to eBay, because on eBay you gotta pay shipping. Now on Amazon, I recommend you, if you have this Amazon Prime, try it for 1 month. I'm not getting paid for this, but then you can save a lot. You don't have to pay shipping, so you pay only for the items. See, I ordered 7, and then since I thought the seller had no a lot in stock, so I ordered 5 again, and that's why I got this bunch of rubber tires. I do recommend you to go in Amazon. See, this one I already opened it, and they are really good rubber tires, brand new rubber tires. Again, do not buy on eBay. Go to Amazon. In Amazon, use Amazon Prime if you have Amazon Prime, or try it free if you want to. So that way you will save a lot on shipping. You don't have to pay shipping. On eBay, of course, you gotta pay again and again. I mean, extra for each item you add. It's like, I think it's like $1 or $2 extra for each. The first one is ships for $5 and so. So the pictures you're seeing right here are from Amazon, and the other ones are from eBay. So you can compare the prices. I tell you right away that don't go crazy. Go to Amazon. It gets delivered here in the US in just about five days. So now we have plenty of spare parts for our model engines from now on, that we have fix and repair a lot. So anyways, and I just wanted to share with you guys this product, and that you can buy on Amazon. Probably the link might not be available because they run out of stock. But anyways, that's all for today, guys. Thanks. Bye.